Yoga has affected me in so many ways. It has made me a better person. I feel more balanced, healthier, and more flexible, more mindful. Yoga in Sanskrit means union. For most people, that's a union of the soul, of the mind, and of the body. That's the goal of yoga for me as well. And the goal for me when people come to my class is for them to feel more relaxed, more connected to themselves, and just a little bit happier.
I decided to become a yoga instructor after I started attending some yoga classes around Abu Dhabi. And you know what? Sometimes you don't get all the cues, how to place your body, how to have like a really safe practice. That's when I decided to go for the training to master all, let's say, the cues of the yoga poses, and then I ended up teaching it, and I really love it. So the best part of my yoga journey is when I was teaching trauma-informed yoga for the refugees of different nationality in Amman. And you know, hearing all the feedbacks and seeing their commitments, you know, even during the COVID, they were committed to attend even the online classes. So it was very inspiring to me.
The advice I would give anyone thinking about starting a yoga practice is to show up with no expectations. No expectations to look a certain way, no expectations to perform complicated yoga poses. An easy yoga practice to start with is a breathing practice. And the one I'm going to show you today is called heart and tummy breathing. So you come to a seated position, one hand on the heart, one hand on the tummy. And we take a deep inhale and exhale. The tummy will start to rise and fall. Happy
International
Yoga Day.